Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. So last time we've discussed about coronavirus and COVID-19 and what are the ways we can do to prevent that condition, that disease, which is for now we don't have a treatment yet, we don't have antidote for it. So we need a lots of time, and we need our give time for our health associates, health experts to look for a antidote for it. Okay, but sooner I know they will find it. Our health associates were not. They didn't stop to look for any information, to get any information so that they can produce a medication for this kind of disease. Okay, for today we will discuss what is the difference of epidemic and pandemic. Okay, epidemic is a sudden increase of numbers of cases of a disease, of a certain disease. So it happens more than what is expected in a population of a certain community or any geographical areas. Okay, so while pandemic is a global or worldwide increase of a new disease. Okay, so in short, pandemic is an epidemic cases that happens national or global cases. Okay, so it called pandemic so that people will be aware of what is happening, and the countries will help each other so they can produce an answer and a medication of this kind of disease. Okay, so COVID-19 is the first pandemic case under coronavirus. Okay, for long time ago, years ago, there are pandemic cases as well, but under coronavirus, it is the first one. The COVID-19 is the first one under this disease. So COVID-19 is really alarming. Why? Because it's respiratory disease. It's easy to pass on other people, so that more people were infected of this virus. Okay, so it's not a joke. So let's be aware of what is happening right now. Okay, guys. So how pandemic becomes different? Okay, why we are most people are not aware of what is pandemic. Why it becomes pandemic? Okay, first, pandemic is it affects the geographical area. It's often the worldwide. Okay, it infects a large number of people. It's not a joke that it happens for how many people worldwide. So it doesn't choose any age. Okay, even the babies have it, even the old ones have it, even the strong ones, the athletes, everyone might have this kind of disease. It's often caused by a new strain of virus that is not happening or not even calculated for a long time. Okay, humans have little immunity of this disease. Okay, so it happens very quickly. Okay, it spreads more than what you've expected. It causes deaths. Okay, so there are countries that gives list that it's not let's say it's not really might happen, but it's happening. How many cases of deaths they've encountered, and it often is create a social description and economic loss. Okay, so in this time, what the country is doing, each country is doing their part of what they think is the best way to prevent this kind of condition, this kind of disease. Okay, this is a respiratory illness that affect everyone. Okay, so that's why even you're in asymptomatic cases, you can still pass this kind of disease. Okay, so COVID-19 is really alarming disease nowadays. So we should be careful more careful so that we cannot spread this kind of virus if we have it already. If you know that you have this kind of virus, so do the precautionary measures. Okay, seek a medical assistance, isolate yourself, do the quarantine, take your medications, what is needed in your body. And if you're not yet infected of it, stay at home. It's most important thing to do nowadays.